Hey, what's going on, guys? Jonathan Glazer here, and in this video I'm going to share with you a simple method that I use to get some consistent CPA commissions flowing using free traffic and what I call a low-hanging fruit CPA offers. So this is perfect for you if you want to start learning CPA, get some commissions rolling in, and you have a low budget, or you just want to kind of dip your feet in the water, see if it really works. If you're struggling with getting commissions, or if you're just looking for another way to increase your commissions. So this is a perfect method. It's simple to set up. And before we go, click the link below, and I'll have a little gift for you. It's a done for you campaign, and also show you how to use my #1 favorite free traffic source that you can use to use this method with and drive traffic to your capture page on complete autopilot. So the first step is to pick the offers, and you want to do high converting offers that are easy to get paid on, which is email and zip submits, and there usually are survey offers. So I'm going to share with you one that I use in just a moment, and then you're going to build an attractive capture page, and then it will with a email series using an autoresponder along with or after that, then you're just going to drive traffic to it. It's that simple, and you can either use free and paid. This method I'm going to show you is free, and I'm going to show you a couple sites that work really good, has a consistent buyer traffic or traffic, so yeah, you can use, but you can also drive paid traffic to it as well. So let's go to my capture page. I can show you that real quick. So this is where I drive all my traffic. All my traffic goes here. You can pause this video. You can, if you have a page builder, you can just kind of use this as a template, and just make sure that whatever offer you're driving this to kind of matches everything here, so that you don't lose the viewer's connection. And so once that's set up, they're all going to put their email here. They're going to click through. It's going to direct them to the offer, and then also it's going to send out an email series up to, well, I have it up to 7 days, but you can do it longer if you want, just depending on what you're offering. And keep in mind, you can also click the link below to access my Done For You campaign, which will show you how to set this up. The software I'm using, and will also give you my emails, so you can just copy and paste and start driving traffic. So next we'll go to the offer that I'm using. So I'm using survey offers. So as you can see here, here's all the survey offers that you get. And the one I'm using is Survey Voices. So it's right here. It's got a 20-cent EPC, which is good. This one's good too, but as you can see, it's a double opt-in. I would suggest you just focus on single opt-ins. It's easier to convert. So as you can see with Survey Voices, $2.40 per lead, single opt-in. So that means that as soon as they enter their email, you get paid. And then as you notice over here, you can check out the landing page. There's 5 different versions of it, and I actually tested those, and they all convert the same. So just pick whatever one you like. Just make sure to design your capture page around it, so that you don't lose the viewers' connection when they get there, and they're more inclined to take action. So that's pretty much how that is. You can click the link below, and it's Done For You campaign to set that up, and then you can start driving traffic. So one of the sites that I use is called Quora. So if you're not using Quora, it's pretty much an information site similar to Google, I guess. People go there and they will type in questions like this, just about anything really, and you simply just answer the question, and then you'll leave your link. Say, hey, there's many ways to, someone's asking about making money online. So you say there's many ways to make money online. The best way is with surveys, but it takes time, but you can get started for free. You can check out my link here for info. Something simple like that, So you can have up to 15 topics. So you'll come here and you'll click edit, and then you'll pick your topics. I have 15, so I can't do that, but it's real simple. If you don't have an account, you just sign up an account, and then you'll do that, and then you can start answering questions. So what we'll do is we'll just go to making money online, and we'll see if there's any questions here that I can answer. So we'll just scroll down until I see something that I like. Here we go. So where'd it go? So this one right here is perfect. Let me see. There we go. So as you can see right there, that's perfect. So what I'll do, so I'll click answer, and I'll say there are unlimited ways to make money online. However, you must be willing investment if you want to be a part of or gain if you don't have a budget to start out with, then I suggest you complete surveys for money. You can sign up free and sometimes get here is a great one to and then just put your link in there. Sorry, that was probably painful to watch, but that's pretty much all you do. I'm just going to put my link in there. Just make sure it's good. And then click submit. There you go. That's it. That's how simple that is. And just do that. Just scroll there. Maybe do that 5 to 15 minutes a day, and pretty soon you're gonna get notifications in your email. People are gonna ask you. They're gonna be asking similar questions, and Quora is gonna notify you because you're going to establish yourself as a authority figure on the topic, and then they're gonna send you similar questions. So like they've been sending me this. See here, I'll answer that in just a second. Anything that has to do with making money online, and if I have an offer that I can send them, I will write up a little saying, give them a little bit of information, and then people will see it, they'll read it, if they like it, they'll upvote it, and it'll show it to more people. So that's the power of Quora. It takes some time to do, but once you get established, you'll be a authority figure. So that's the first one. The second one is Twitter, using Twitter search. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Twitter search, You've probably seen this method used with TweetDeck. It's pretty much the same thing. So you'll just type in I need money, or anything similar to that. I need money fast, make money quickly, how to make money, anything like that. And you're going to do the same thing. You'll just search, and then if you see someone that looking like they need money, or saying something that they need money, a way to make money, you can simply send them your link. So let's see. Let's try a different one. Keep in mind this isn't staged, this is live, so I'm just kind of showing you how I would go about doing this. It may take a couple tries, so but I'm pretty sure you kind of get the idea how this works. So alright, let's see here. Alright, that's not good. Alright, so I'm going to try one more, but I want to wrap this up because it's getting a little long here. So try one more, see if I can find one. And then we'll just wrap this up. So let's go Twitter search. And then we'll just say need let's see if that works. There we go. So now you found this guy here. He says he needs to make money fast. So what you can do is you can send him a little tweet here. Say, hey, at Jaya, if you need a solid way to make some fast money, I have a way to do that. Using survey offers or something like that. So you can check it out here, and then enter your link. There you go. So that's pretty much it. So let's kind of go back. Let's change that up a bit. If you need a solid way to make fast money, I have a way to do that and make up to, and we'll just say 75 a day using survey offers. You can check it out here, and then you can simply copy and paste that part, and then just kind of go through and find people that are looking to make money too. And what's going to happen is people are going to see that tweet, and then they're going to click on that link too, and then they're going to click through. So that's it. I hope you got some value from that. Remember, click the link below. Get your free done for you campaign and access to my #1 free traffic source. That you can set these up on autopilot and get those commissions rolling in 24/7. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Click the link below, and talk to you really soon. Take care.